Hi, how are you?
Hi, well, thanks.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
What is your hometown?
I grew up in the city of Bogota.
What is your marital status?
I am single.
What is your hobby?
I like to watch television.
What is your profession?
I am a student of public accounting.
Talk about your work experience.
I had working in two companies as an assistant in mega porcinos and hunt and private IPs.
What is your academic background?
I studied industrial electricity technologies and now I am studying public accounting.
What are your personal qualities?
My personal qualities are being honest, respectful, keen, and always happy.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My skills are punctuality and agility, and my weaknesses are writing everything perfect.
What makes you the best candidate for this position?
I am candidate because I have the ability to provide conflicts and innovate.
What will we get if hire you?
If you hire me, you will get a personal capable of adapting easily, proving excellent quality, work and contribution to organizational development.
Very good.
Thank you.